Welcome, beloved soul. This is your time of healing, your time of peace. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes gently, and let your shoulders soften. Breathe in deeply, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension you've been carrying today. With every breath, you are arriving fully into this sacred moment. Now, let us open our hearts with the Ho'oponopono prayer. Repeat after me, softly, or in your mind. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel the words sink into your heart. Imagine them dissolving pain, healing wounds, and restoring harmony within. Picture yourself standing in a gentle golden light. This light is warm, comforting, safe. Every breath makes it brighter. Every word of the mantra makes it stronger. Within this light, see the faces of those you wish to forgive, and those who need to forgive you. Send them these words. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel their hearts receiving this healing energy. Again, let us repeat. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Each phrase is a key, unlocking peace inside you. Each phrase is a bridge, connecting you to love. Now, whisper gently to yourself. I release the past. I welcome healing. I choose peace. I am love. As we come to the close, feel the calm that now surrounds you. Know that forgiveness is a gift, and you have given it to yourself tonight. Take one last deep breath in. Exhale completely, and when you are ready, return to the present with a renewed heart, a peaceful mind, and a soul shining in love. You are free. You are healed. You are whole.